The 15th Annual Hoodoo Heritage Festival welcomes another presenter, Clifford Low.
Hello, my name is Clifford Low, and I'll be teaching at the virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival this August 13th and 14th of 2022 in a workshop on Lodestones, their lore, lodestone altars, and how to extend their power with candle magic. In my workshop, you will learn how to use the power of lodestones to attract whatever you desire to yourself, and influence people, places, and things over great distances. I'll be giving a very special focus to lodestone altars, of which I employ nearly 20. If there is time, less well-known types of lodestone altars for healing, driving away enemies, and increasing magical power will be covered. I will demonstrate how to get more out of your prosperity lodestones using candle spells with supplied materials. In addition to the workshop, there will be a Q&A where I will be available to satisfy your curiosity about lodestone spell work. Come join me and my fellow lecturers at this year's virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival. Wonders await.
We'll see you there.